Yeah, first thing I would like to thank the entire GSC team and VRC team for being my this part of my parentinghood. Okay, it's a part of my complete parentinghood. Till now, I am into VRC actually. So special thanks to Sally ma'am and Vishnu sir. I like in all the way. It's a very good feeling and very positive vibes when we talk with Vishnu sir and Sally ma'am. That is a very good one. And coming to my personal experience, my pregnancy was very intentional and very particular. I was very particular and planned. It was so baby when I was planning baby and all. I was very particular about his character, on the behavior, everything. Okay, so it was like that. So I knew about the Garbha Sanskar, but I was not knowing how to start about that one. There was no proper guidance about it. Even though I googled it, it did not help me. So when I was going through some videos, I went through many GSC, this one Garbha Sanskar one, but nothing was very promising and convincing. When I just scrolling, I saw Vishnu sir's one session. I attended that one. I am truly saying it was very convincing and promising one. Of course, they are now also very they are following it. Okay, so it was very promising one. So immediately when I after the session, I enrolled it. I don't know. Like usually, I will analysis more. So without analyzing, just by hearing his word, I enrolled it. It's a God grace. That is a turning point in my pregnancy. Actually, when I was 6 months, I joined GSC. It was a very wonderful one. Actually, I was going through the tough time with my job. Actually, job. Mm, it helped me to balance both this job as well as my personal things and all.
You were working while
Yes,
you were working.
yes, I was working.
Okay,
When I
okay.
was pregnant, I was working.
Okay. So how did it like help you? Like many of the parents here or
Yes,
moms
the
here,
first thing Garbha Samskar will help me to connect the baby. Like we will connect a baby right through this one affirmation. Yes, that helped me a lot actually. Each time when I talk to the baby, it's a different feeling. And whatever the feelings, positive things, we will be passing to the baby. That is a very important in pregnancy, during pregnancy actually. So it helped me a lot. Then diet, what they will suggest, that is very important. 100 people will say 100 things, but we need to get a proper guidance, right? That was a very important thing. Diet was another one. And I suggest a non-GSC ma'am, if non-GSC people, just you check the affirmation things, how it will be and all. It's a very good concept what they introduced into GSC. And even though like I checked whenever I talk to my friends, no, they will be not at all knowing about affirmation, auto suggestion, all those things. I was also not knowing exactly. When I joined GSC, it was very clear what to talk with my baby. I knew that since I was in Singapore, I knew that here there is a saying like teach your kid mathematics when he is in womb, I guess. So that struck me a lot before searching GSC. But after searching GSC, it helped me to connect with my baby. So that was one.
yeah. Along
Another
with
one is during
it,
delivery, it will help me a lot actually. Lama's technique is there.
yeah.
That is a wonderful experience. What I felt during my difficult time. That is one of the very difficult time, that delivery time. Uh, I should thank Mangal Tupe ma'am. Actually, she taught us very well, and I really am thankful to her also for Lama's technique. So and I delivered a normal delivery it was, and he was 3.165 kgs. Okay, so it was very good experience. Yeah, yes, please tell me, you were saying
Yeah.
something.
Yeah. So I was asking, like, definitely, as you mentioned very well and very clearly and nicely, that your affirmations, how did helped you? Along with this, you
Yes,
were working. So you were able to balance your that stress with GSC. So
yes,
how did trans help you? Many of the people think that, yeah, during pregnancy, internet has a lot of things, lot of knowledge. Now we are full with knowledge, but exact guidance and exact knowledge, whether it did it help you in GSC or not, like in which way, for trance, along with this for meditations, along with this many musics are provided, the
Yes, yes.
and everything.
Everything, each and everything matters actually. When we are in emotionally very down, it's all importance for us. Like meditation helps. Each session, Vishnu sir will, was taking all those meditation sessions. It was very good and very relaxing. And it helped me to balance both the one, like emotional gambling as well as work balance. It is very difficult at that stage. Okay, if somebody talks also, we will feel so much about the during our pregnancy. So when we do such meditation, yoga, and all these stands, these things help us a very unique way. It is.
Amazing.
Only GS people can understand that one. Whatever I'm talking, no, they can really understand and relate
Yes,
to us.
yes, yes. So here are many of the GSC moms. So are
Yeah.
you all relating? आप सब relate कर पा रहे हो या नहीं? Yes or no? Yeah? If relating, then
And
yes, relating. Like just comment in the chat box so that, yeah. Ma'am, there is one comment for you. Your smile is like Sai Pallavi.
thank you.
Okay. Amazing, amazing.
Yeah,
Great.
it is like that, and everything it is very planned and very dedicated, and that too, like dancing sessions will be there. Then drawing sessions will be there. I learned before I was drawing actually when painting and drawing I used to do, but when I was pregnant, you people helped me to draw better. And I have all the booklets, everything, very good collection. It's like a booklet, whatever daily activities they will do. No, coming to the BRC, each day we are going to share topics and activities. It's amazing actually. It will helps baby to one or another way. If I teach today, today he will not understand, but definitely one after 1 week, no, he will say somehow convince me that he understood that topic. So it's a very good one. I don't know who has structured this one. It's a very good structure, and you people are doing amazing work.
So you have joined BRC when your baby
Three,
was
3 months it was
3 months
actually.
old, and now Vian is how many years old?
2.3.
2.3, almost 2 years plus. So,
Yes.
have you learned the parenting styles, as we say, new generation, new age parenting, as we say? Because there are so many myths, like here might be so many parents, okay, who have delivered or who will be delivering. But there are like age difference gap comes sometimes. Sometimes digital world is the one which has flourished like anything, and then parenting. So what do you think that these daily topics, these daily activities, are they burden on babies, on us, or are they like warriors or savers, as we can say, as you are experiencing from 3 months till 2.3 years now with the baby?
No, no, you are not going to put any pressure. First of all, on us, you are not going to put a pressure, and next, we are also not going to put a pressure on baby. It's a we are just filling them. We are giving. We are not expecting them to say everything and come with our homework. Likewise, we are not at all saying anything. Okay, we are just filling. In out of 24 hours, 12 hours they will sleep. In the 10 minutes, we will explain that topic. Okay, they have a amazing memory. Each kids, as you said, like babies will have a huge memory. They will store in minute way, and they will take it, and that will enhance their activities. What you will do that daily activities. No, it's amazing. It's not just like I'm seeing here also like kindergarten everything. Okay, it's almost Vian is ahead to all those. Okay.
Yeah, all syllabus is done in
Already.
plain
And I
way.
explain when people are saying talking something to him, I will be waiting. Okay, he knows. I know that he knows. Okay, so I'll be waiting. Okay, he knows. They will be asking colors, and when all this done, no, like word record and all, every person who meets, they were questioning me. I was thinking, okay, he's struggling actually like this, but he is very smart. He was not at all answering wherever not required. So he's a smart baby. Like why we need to join PIC? That is the one thing. Like first GSC, I will say, because from womb itself we will prepare something like they are very strong and very connective, emotionally very connective. If we think like something it is not working, tomorrow itself he will do, definitely he will do. So that is a connection we built during our pregnancy itself. uh, so I suggest GS is very good. First of all, that is a basic, that is a root, and BRC is definitely a branch for us.
Yeah,
And daily activities, definitely it is helping. We are not at all chasing the babies. We are just giving some hint about the word. That's it.
exactly. So what
Hmm.
we say that neural pathways which we need to build, which we need to like
Yes, yes.
prod those pathways. Okay, because it is like many of them know now these things, right? So this like today, are you like not blessing the social media who let you meet the GSC team and VRC team? Yes or no? Yeah. Yeah. So next thing, one question, like Vian made world records. So in what all things he made the world record? Already people have seen it, but you can just in short, you can explain. Like when did you come to know that yes, he has that part, he has that thing that you can apply for world record?
Actually, from 6 month onwards itself, I was showing all this. 3 months onwards itself, I was showing the cards like black and white cards. Whatever you are suggesting, I was doing that one. And he was very active. That eye contact and everything, he was identifying each. So that's where by 6 months itself, I understood that he is bit active. Because since we were already into the session, I knew that this baby is something different. So after 6 months, what I did, I started to observe more. He, in his milestones, he achieved everything ahead only. He was. So I was thinking, okay, okay, but I was that time I was into like after 7 months I have to join. I should have, I wanted to join the my work pack. So I could not give much importance to Vian. So what I did, somewhere I was feeling guilt about that one. Like he's so active, I'm not at all doing anything like this. At some point, I resigned actually. There only after 1 year, I just resigned, and I started to give all the knowledge, whatever the daily activities, everything. For example, like vehicles, he's very interested in vehicles, animals, birds, actually. So all the vehicles, whatever he say, now also he's very excited to see the vehicles. First thing is vehicles. He will identify more than 40 actually, but we have flashcards only 24, so I showed that one. Okay, so vehicles, then animals, wild, both the animals, domestic as well as wild animals, and birds. Then actions, he knows that actions actually, like whatever he says no in flashcards, it is not like he knows about that completely. Like since we have a background of GSE, like explaining nature will come automatically. When they say tiger, we will say the complete story of tiger and will explain. So that is a nature. So he, out of those cards, like everything he knows, like how tiger works, what is the baby of tiger, like this. So birds, animals, then action cards, I remember that one. Then colors,
Yeah. Many
shapes.
many things he
Yeah,
have.
yeah.
Yeah, definitely,
Now
definitely.
he is updated now. Actually, he's like he's into chess
Yeah.
now. In affirmation, when I was in pregnancy, I was writing each day he should be a chess champion. You are a chess champion, like this. Now at this age, actually, he can clearly he can put all these chess coins and he can do that
Amazing,
one. Now I'm just trying whether I can put it for social media or not. Hmm.
amazing, amazing. There are few moms, okay, who are asking, like during pregnancy you were working. So along with the working and GSC, so what was your daily routine and how did you manage? So in short, you can share.
Yeah, daily routine. It was for me. It was a UK shift. It was 11 o'clock to. I was in India only that time. 11 o'clock to 8 o'clock. I used to work. Morning it was wonderful. Like I used to take a juice, then breakfast, all this. Then dry fruits. Main thing is dry fruits. I used to take soaking one. Another one is walnut. I want to mention walnut is very good for the health, so you can directly consume, like soaking. By soaking, you can consume. Morning was that routine. Breakfast, I was before also I was very strict on diet and all. Like I will not use more oil, spice, everything and all. So breakfast was very normal one only. But I used to consume more fruits. That is one of the one. Actually, one thing I would like to point it actually. Mine is like after 30 I conceived. Mine is late marriage also. Conceived I after 30. So you know right how it will they will treat in India, like some doctors they will treat like okay, after 30 minutes it is very critical, like this they will think. So I faced that one also in India. And my HB level also very less. It was 8 when I was pregnant. So I was chasing that iron also. That was also I included in affirmation. By the time of delivery, it was 10.11 something. It was very good one. So that was after that I used to join the my work back by 11 o'clock. I used to start my work. Then it was like sitting doing. Then in the middle I used to open some activities. We were having some website right that time, like yeah, I was going through that one. And brain gym activity, I think, yeah, that is correct. Brain gym activity we used to do, like you used to like all those suggestion we got it from GSC only. So only I'm stressing very much on
Yeah.
GSC, like each brain gym activities I used to perform. And meditation I used to do in the middle, because sometimes no, like I will be ending with so much of meetings during my time and all. High peak it will be, so I used to do meditation a lot that time. And yeah, lunch will be a normal. I used to use a ragi mudde. Actually, in Karnataka, people who stays, that is famous actually, ragi mudde I used to have. Then evening snacks and work balance, it is more or less I was doing meditation. That's it. Whatever comes I used to do meditation, and whatever I can do it for VN. And till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I used to work actually. It was, even though 8 o'clock it is, till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. It was like overburden. But still, before sleeping, I used to do the affirmation one. I'm having this much, some 200 pages book. uh,
Yeah.
affirmation like this. So that is one. Like just we used more or less. I used to connect with the God, prayers, meditation, and this activities. Work I priority I gave for second work, and first was pregnancy only I gave
Yeah.
baby.
Great, great. So really, thank you so much. Even if today also you joined here in spite of a time difference zone and everything, you're now in Singapore, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
what is the time over there now? Here it is almost 8:30.
11 o'clock. 2.5 hour difference will be there. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So
He's
thank you
waiting
so
for me.
much. Thanks a lot for coming and sharing your experience to all
Thank
our
you.
GSC and VRC family. Even there are some non-GSC parents. So everyone, I just want to ask that whether after listening to Vidya ma'am, okay, Vidyashri ma'am, what all things you are now thinking about your pregnancy journey, your parenting journey, and everything. Yes, and let's give her blessings and Vian blessing. Is Vian, he might be sleeping, or
No, he's waiting outside actually. He's
oh,
waiting with us
okay, if possible you can just bring him and you can show
for
if
sleep.
possible.
Actually, it's sleeping time.
Yeah, exactly, 11. Yeah,
Uh,
okay, no worries, no worries. Okay, at the
yeah,
end if possible you can bring.
yeah,
Sure.
yeah.
So thank you so much. And yeah, chat box is for you. It is for your experience and your blessings. So thank you so much once again for being here, for sharing your experience and taking out your valuable time for all of us. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank
Thank
you. And I would like to add, like, nothing is exaggerated here. Actually, whatever I said from my heart. Okay, so it's like I thought of saying many times, like thanks and sending emails, but it could not work actually. Now I got a opportunity to say thanks. So even though, like, you know how mess up it will be with a baby at night time, but still I wanted to join, because I wanted to convey my thanks to you and the entire team.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.